What's up guys, Cheapies aka Noah back to bringing you another video. This time we're doing episode 3 of the Non-Sneakerhead picks 5 sneakers out. This time we had my friend David on. He actually picked probably the most expensive sneakers that we're probably going to get for a while, just because he decided to go all out and pick one that cost a lot of money. So we had to film it a second time because the first time my audio decided to mess up, so I had to redo it. So he had a little bit of an idea going in, unlike everyone else who kind of just came in blind. But he did pick different stuff the second time, so it worked out. And luckily, he found 5 sneakers I like decent amounts. Again, it was pretty expensive, but he did find some that he could actually purchase if he wanted to today. So with that being said, let's just get right into the episode. So we're gonna go over the whole thing again. I'm just gonna say it was the second we're redoing this because my audio messed up. But you're gonna pick 5 sneakers like you did last time, so you can change it up any price. So if you want to get crazy, go for it. But
let's go. Get that highest average value.
You want the high average value?
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's do this all over again.
Okay.
Where would you like to start?
Let's start off with Yeezys today.
Yeezys today? You don't want to look at Air Monarchs first?
Oh, I figured I would end with Air Monarchs.
Okay, just making sure.
Yeah. Yeah, let's go with the Cloud White.
Cloud Whites.
Those are nice.
12 and a half.
Are there reflective Cloud Whites?
There are reflective Cloud Whites, I'm pretty sure. Let me just find them. Are there not? Yeah, there are. Okay, I was about to say. I'm pretty sure.
Okay, yeah. Just got to increase that value.
Honestly, this said last sale is $410. Let me check the last one because I feel like it says $447. Yeah, this one was cost more than non-reflective.
Yeah, then we don't need reflective.
Yeah, screw that. That's worthless.
Why don't we just search for New York? Let's see how that goes.
Okay.
Since I act like I'm from there, might as well find some shoes.
That's where you're from, right? Not New Jersey.
Not New Jersey.
Same place. Oh, verify that I'm human. Thanks. I don't know what happened. That's never happened before.
Well, I mean, just looking at that, we have to go with the pigeons.
All right, we're going back to the pigeons.
Back to the pigeon. It's just
beautiful.
So great. I actually like the colors of it too.
Yeah, it's not bad.
You know?
I still don't know how I feel about Dunks, but this one's not a bad colorway for it. I think Pigeon or Staple, I'm pretty sure is a clothing brand. I'm not sure exactly. Don't quote me on that. They came out in 2005, so
I think he has a place in New York, right?
I think so. Let's just read the description. Yeah, he does have a place in New York.
Yeah.
Yeah. There you go. Back to the
we're gonna keep that highest average value.
I don't think you're gonna lose it.
No. I feel like I need some like Yankees shoes.
You can get the Gucci ones.
God.
Look at
Is that sparkle or not? I can't tell.
I'm pretty sure it sparkles.
Let's just look at the Jeters then.
The Jeters.
Let's just look at the Retro Jeter RE2 packed.
This one? The Yankee one?
I mean, those are just so... It's nice. Beautiful.
Those ones say Yankees on them, basically.
Yeah.
I feel like you have to go for those ones.
Oh, yeah. Nice and pinstriping. You know, what else do you need?
I can tell you your other ones real quick. You had
look at the Raptors.
Okay, there we go. I was going to say you had some Raptor one.
We the North.
Yep. Big fan, right?
Big lifelong fan for 2.5 years.
Lifelong. You're 2.5 years old. Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
That's crazy.
You know, Vince would have been one of the all-time greats had he not left Toronto.
Pretty sure he still might be one of the all-time greats.
Yeah, but he could have been like Jordan levels.
I don't know about Jordan level. Maybe to Canada.
Those Jordan are the best.
4. These are the best ones.
Yeah, I like those.
Should I write them down?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, Jordan 4 Raptors.
My only problem with it is that the Jordan logo on the back is blue.
Is it? It's purple.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah,
yep.
Same.
When you were spinning it quickly, it looked blue, but
Sorry.
never mind. Let's look at some other Dunk lows.
Oh, we're going Dunk lows.
Yeah, I kind of like the look of those. You know?
Yeah, they're not bad. I've had one pair and I sold it because it was this one right here.
Oh, see, I like it so much. Other than like that, I don't like the writing.
Yeah, that's kind of part of the whole off-white thing.
I know.
This one's $50,000.
Well, I did not think my $22,000 shoes would be the low end.
I mean, it's not the low end. It's just
Yeah,
not the top.
Can you look at the Pro Blue Fury?
Yep.
I like those.
Like these ones?
Yeah.
Write it down.
Yeah, let's write it down.
Dang. Switching it up.
I have way too many blue clothes to not have, like, blue shoes.
You know, I'm surprised that you're not going with something to fit a Maple Leafs jersey.
Oh my god. You are 1,000% correct there. I need some, like...
I doubt there's
blue
Maple Leaf shoes, but we can look real quick. There's a Maple Leaf right there. Yeah, there's only 2. Okay.
Yeah, or Canada. Look up Canada. Because then, you'll get the whole look, right?
We could, but there's only 5, so...
Never mind.
Not looking too good. These are kind of cool, actually. But that's just me. Oh, that's actually sick.
That's actually really sick.
I like them.
Let's add those for
Add
right
these
now.
ones? Okay, 'cause I was about to say I like these, but that's just me.
Oh, no, definitely.
This would work great with a Canada jersey.
And I have a Canada shirt from the last Olympics that those shoes will go great with.
There you go. We can still try to find a Maple Leaf shoe.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I guess they would work.
Oh, those are suede. Never mind.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of suede.
I like those soles, though.
Yeah, those are cool.
See, all we need is Nike to start making NHL jerseys instead of Adidas, and then we would actually probably get some.
That'd be great. Well, are we giving up on the Royal search?
I think we are.
All right. What now?
Oh, God, no. Let's look up purple shoes. Need something that would go nice with a nice LSU jersey.
LSU jersey. Well, you can go back to the LSU ones, which you didn't pick last time.
True. Can you, like, search purple and yellow?
You're basically asking for me to look at Lakers colorway.
Yep, that's
which
what
I
I'm
can
at.
probably see if there's better Lakers ones. You get some Pumas.
My dad has those. God, apparently I should just be a kid again to be able to get the shoes I like. Well, I guess just gotta look up the Odell LSU ones.
Going back to the Odells. We'll just let me look at page 3 real quick. All right, those aren't Laker colors at all.
Yeah, the throwback jersey. Always classic look.
I want to put this one down again?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. All right, you're at 7 sneakers again.
Am I?
Yeah, we can keep going.
Huh. Did not think we already got there.
Yeah, you picked your first like 4 really fast, and then the last 3 have been...
I don't think there's anything else I need to hit on. Rangers are just red and blue.
Hey, we can find some Ranger ones.
Yeah, let's go for it.
All right. I don't think I can just Google Ranger. No, we're going to have to go with USA.
Well, there's so many more USA shoes than Canada shoes.
I wonder why.
So weird.
Who would have thought? You can get some Ultra Boost USA.
Those are actually nice. I like those.
The Ultra Boost USAs.
Yeah, those would be perfect for Ranger games.
There you go.
Yeah, let's do those.
Are these at 160? That's below retail.
Really?
Yeah, retail's 180. Well, the last sale on it was...
Wow.
Nice. All right. That's the 8th one. Want to keep going?
No, I guess just finishing it off with let's take a look at those beautiful things known as Air Monarchs.
Oh, true. I forgot. My bad. Once again,
So,
way
let me
more
just
Air
say,
Monarchs.
When
What's
I
up?
was a kid, I had the red and black ones.
These ones?
Yeah, all throughout middle school. And then I switched to the white and navy in high school.
Nice.
Because swagger.
I had these ones. I think I told Luke this, that I did have these ones, but they were strictly for work.
God, I wish I had Air Monarch work shoes. Those would be, like, comfortable.
Honestly, maybe it's because I wore them for like 3 years and they were really worn down and probably had like hundreds of miles walked in them. They weren't that comfortable towards the end, but also they were kind of falling apart towards the end.
Do they have any green Air Monarchs? That way, so when you cut the grass, it doesn't look like they're stained?
They got the Weekend Air Monarchs, but this is kind of weird. That's like leather. No, they made that. There's literally grass on the Nike swoosh.
Beautiful.
No, I mean, all you got to do is you buy 2 pairs of Air Monarchs just so you can have the one be green. And there's these ones, which are really ugly.
It has like it just looks like it has weird bumps all over it.
Yeah, I know. It's not good looking. Someone bought these for over $100.
Why?
Couldn't tell you. All right, well, there's the Air Monarchs. You want to go back and review and pick out 5?
Yep, let's do it. Okay.
Here they are. We got the Yeezy 350 Cloud White. Non-reflective because it's more expensive. We got the Dunk SB Low Staple NYC Pigeon for $22,000.
Beautiful.
Then we got the Jordan 1 Jeter Respect with a 2.
It's pronounced RE2 Pect.
All right, RE2 Pect, my bad. Then we got the Jordan 4 Raptors.
Okay.
Then we got another Dunk Low, the Pro Blue Fury. I can't say that. And then we got the Air Max 1 Kanda, the 6. Then we got the OBJ Air Max 720, the LSU colorway. Sorry, I didn't want to forget that. And then we got the USA Adidas Ultra Boost.
Okay. So that's 8, right?
That's 8. So we eliminate 3 basically.
Okay. Let's start off with the obviously the pigeons. Definitely making it.
Got it.
Got to have $22,000 shoes.
Of course. What else would you have?
Let's add the Yeezys off the bat.
Yeezys. Got it.
Feel like I need some a little different. Okay, let's do the Canada ones next.
Canada ones.
The 6.
Got it. I like these ones.
And then let's go the USA Ultra Boosts.
USA Ultra Boost.
Yeah, I feel like I should actually go with, the team I like the most.
The Raptors, right?
Yeah. Okay,
Lifelong
so now,
fan.
lifelong fan. So now I have the Yankees, Odell.
You don't have Odell yet.
No, I know, but the Yankee ones I still have to choose from.
Yep.
The Odells, the Blue Fury, and the Raptors. Right?
So basically, what's your next favorite team?
Okay, well, I feel like since I didn't go to LSU, actually, I shouldn't get the LSU shoes.
Okay.
And then, I've only been a Raptors fan for 2.5 years.
All right.
So I guess let's go with the Jeters.
The Jeters win.
Pinstripes
Right.
can't touch pinstripes.
Final 5 are the Yeezy 350s Cloud Whites for $450. So you got these ones for $450.
Okay.
Then you got the Staple NYC Pigeons for $22,225, and then you got the Jordan 1 Jeters for a nice $565. Then you got the Air Max 1 Canada the 6 for $371.
Okay.
And then to round it all off, you got the Ultra Boost USA at your cheapest shoes under retail for $160.
I think I have a good selection here.
You do. So you spent a total of $23,771.
That's so amazing.
You did it. Congratulations.
And it actually has a shoe that I can afford on it. So
It does. You can at least get these ones. So yeah, 5 ones. You spent another $23,771. Pocket change for most people.
Yeah,
So perfectly fine.
I'll be back for the unboxing video when I hit the Mega Millions.
Yeah, exactly. So if you get the Dunks for $22,000, we can unbox them together. Are you sure you do have to find a pair? Which, since they came out in 2005, it might be a little difficult. Someone's probably got one.
I'm sure.
No problem.
You throw enough money at it.
It'll show up eventually. All right. Well, thank you for coming on again.
Yeah.
For the second time.
Problem.
Hopefully this one works out. If not, it's just a curse video and you might never be able to do this again.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
All
Then
right.
it's a sign.
Yeah, probably. All right. Well, thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. All right. Well, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I don't know what you're commenting because I still don't know and it doesn't matter. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.